My earlier speaker, Mr. Sanjay, already spoke that he is standing between you and lunch. I hope so I am the last one. Honorable Minister IT and Minority Welfare, Government of Bihar, senior officers, eminent panelists, delegates, media professionals, ladies and my dear friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am going to share my experience with this journey of passport services in Bihar. Journey of Regional Passport Office Patna started in the year 1979 when this office was inaugurated by then External Affairs Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That time demand was very less, and at those days this office was issuing 8,000 passports per month. And 90s was also very static demand. I think there was rise in demand in the late 90s and early 20th century, 21st century, this century. So, Government of India at the top level, there was a thinking that passport services should be computerized, fully computerized, and this direction, this Patna office was computerized in a very primitive manner in the year 2003, and this office was able to issue machine-readable passport since 2003. But in the last decade, there was phenomenal growth in the passport, in the demand of passport services, not only in Bihar, in entire countries. So, Government of India has adopted a mission mode project under National E-Governance Plan, and opted passport services is one of those services. Under this plan, there was a vision, and the vision was to deliver passport services to the citizen in a timely, transparent, more accessible manner, in a comfortable environment, through streamlined processes and through committed, trained and motivated workforce. Let us see how this vision is being realized. Government of India, through Ministry of External Affairs, has come into agreement with Tata Consultancy Services. This project is running on the basis of PPP model, public-private partnership model. Under this model, most of the core activities are being controlled by Ministry of External Affairs only, like all the sovereign functions, fiduciary function, data management, data control, these are with MEA only, and all non-core activities, these are being controlled by Tata Consultancy Services. Under this project has been named as Passport Seva Project, and under this project, a Passport Seva Kendra has been established in the city of Patna. This Passport Seva Kendra is basically spread over 16,000, more than 15,000 square feet area, and this Passport Seva Kendra is running, working as very efficiently in that manner, that this is basically workflow based working here. There is a website named passportindia.gov.in where we will get all the information related to passport, issuance of passport, like what kind of document required, how online filing of application it is to do, online payment, how it is to be done, and what are the special cases where you can consult this website. One of the important tools to make successful this project is police verification part. You all know most of the passports are issued after the police verification, and in one direction and in one way, Bihar government has done a very good thing to implement this DPSP model name, District Police Headquarters model. In this model, all the 38 districts of Bihar Supreme Police offices are connected with this passport office. Whenever any application is submitted at the Passport Seva Kendra and PP form and file is granted, PP form initiated, then it can be, this form can be downloaded at the end of SP office. After that, verification from police station and CID report, the concerned Deputy Superintendent of Police, who has already been provided digital signature, he can just fill the status of police verification. If he fits that clear report, then passport will be printed automatically at the regional passport office. Second is postal interface. For delivery of passport, we are in agreement with India Post, and this is whenever any passport is dispatched, you will get SMS, and that number is basically we have taken in advance. This passport booklets management. Regional Passport Office is regularly in touch with ISP Nasik. We get this passport booklet from Nasik only, and we raise our demand online, and we get our passport physical booklet after confirmation from the ISP Nasik. Just see how this is transformed our life. Just there are two separate things. In the year 2011, just compare today's situation. There was limited accessibility. Timing was very. Applicant has to submit application between 10 to 1:30. Now this timing has increased. Now work hour has increased. More importantly, you can anywhere and any time access this website. You can file your application online. Second is inadequate amenities. Most of the passport offices, Patna passport office is one of them also, the public amenities not at desired level. And now in this PSK thing, all the facilities are world-class facility where provision is made for physically challenged persons also, for baby care thing also. Third, one of the most important thing, earlier there were long and uncertain service time. In the year 2011, when things were improved a little bit, then also there was time taken in issue of one passport was 81 days. Now, just compare that after the implementation of this DPSP model, we are getting reports less than 60 days. This is the average of entire Bihar, and in Patna district, we are receiving police report within 30 days. So we are able to issue passport within 60 days. As far as entire Bihar is concerned, and in Patna, less than this figure is less than 40 days. As far as for good governance, transparency is one of the important tools. So here, this transparency, I must say there was very less transparent system earlier. When you submit a manual system, and when you compare with this passport Seva project thing, where transparency has increased substantially. Like your application is granted in the presence of before you, and entire project works on the system of FIFO basis, EQMS basis, so first in first out basis. So there is entire activity is being performed before you only. Earlier, what used to be the system were manual, so they were full of errors. Your name is Galat, the name is wrong, your address is sometimes wrong. Now it is, entire data is being filled by you only, so you are responsible for your correctness of your data most of the time. Now this way, now things have been improved substantially. What is the impact? Overall impact, citizen service, there are more than 1400 to 1500 footballs in a PSK. So no paperwork, no physical form is required, no photograph is required. Social impact, very small thing, but this project has created more than 1,000 odd jobs on contract basis only in Passport Seva Kendra. Environmental impact, less paper, so saving of paper, hassle free. So overall, environmentally, government image building has been done substantially. National security, for every applicant, this office captures his or her biometric features. So every day we are recording more than 12 to 1300 people, and last 2 years only we have created a database of more than 2.5 lakhs, and this database can be shared in future with other agencies also. There is a continuous improvement trend. First, design philosophy. Overall, design of Passport Seva Kendra is, you can say that is a model office kind of thing. And I must tell you, in Bihar only some of the district magistrates have visited that office, and they have taken certain inputs from us to establish an office in their respective district. Website is quite user friendly. Electronic queue management system, LSI image thing. In current passport thing, there is a host photograph kind of picture appears in your passport booklet. This is later skin image. This is a small host photograph. When in that photograph, your entire details, when you look through a magnifying glass, you can see entire details is appearing there. This online payment, online appointment thing, these are in the new thing. M-Passport Seva mobile application, this entire passportindia.in website and entire thing, this is available on your Windows mobile, Android mobile, so you can access freely. Last, premium optical SMS service. This service is like when you submit your application at Passport Seva Kendra, after paying 30 rupees. Common service center, earlier speaker has explained that Bihar, Vasudha Kendra is functioning very well. And in this direction, there is a talk at the level of ministry that after authorizing Vasudha Kendra to collect to certain fee, this online thing can be managed very well. Online document verification, in first session, one of the speaker has told in that direction. Future lies here where this document verification, manual document verification should be gone away. So future could be in that direction. Fismal signature are in present days in any passport, signature are being done manually. In future, at ministry level, there is talk and there is research in that direction to put Fismal signature in that direction.